I'm Tom Olsewski with eXp Realty in front of my listing at 336 Sweet Place. If you're looking for a place that blends modern design, comfort, and natural beauty, this stunning 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 1,283 square foot condo in the vibrant development of Citro is calling your name. Ask me about the low interest, assumable VA, an opportunity you don't want to miss. So let's step inside to discover spacious, light-filled living area designed with open floor plan that seamlessly connects to the living room, dining space, and kitchen. It's the perfect setup for both cozy nights and entertaining friends. Let's go take a look.